Creating workflows with Process Street is as quick and easy as 1, 2, 3. To prove it, here are 5 tips to help you create your first workflow. 1. Pick a simple, repeatable workflow. In this case, we'll document our daily task list, as it's very simple but will make life easier every single day. 2. Complete your task list first. This lets you set the scope of your workflow and stops you having to reorder your entire process to fit another task. 3. Use form fields to capture information. Form fields let you record information as you complete your workflow runs, letting you keep track of important details that aren't always the same. You can even use form fields to send and receive data from the tools you love. 4. Assign your team members. This will let them see exactly what they have to do by checking their inbox. You don't have to go digging to find your tasks. 5. Supercharge your workflow by connecting Process Street with your other tools via automations. Automations are the key to scaling any useful workflow, and the sooner you include them, the more time you'll save. See? Easy! The key is that your workflows don't have to be super detailed at first in order to be useful. If you only have time to go in and write a task list, that's fine. You can always come back, iterate, and expand the workflow later. Sign up for a free account at process.st.